Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right. So, friends know me. Do I know myself? Liz had sent me some pictures, and Kim had sent me some pictures of a release, and Melissa sent me the same thing. And this is the release they sent me were these pictures, and I had already seen them, but that nothing was really calling my name. I mean, it was like I was supposed to like these. They had all the things. It was denim, it was cherries, it was embroidery, it was, Coach. And I was like, I know I should like these, but for some reason it was not hitting me right. I don't know if it's because I had so many things come in, I didn't want to spend the money, but really mainly it just really didn't sit with me. So we're gonna have an unboxing, and we're gonna find out if all of those friends know me well enough, know me better than myself, and see if I like the unboxing that's coming up. Okay, so I wanted to open it during this video because, like I said, I was getting all of these texts, and this all dropped around my birthday, and I think I was just kind of getting overwhelmed. We had the January drop, we were on the cruise, and then we had the February drop. Was getting some of these bags, and they just were not, I just didn't feel like they were me, or I didn't feel like the prices warranted it. I mean, they were cute, but they were too cutesy. I don't know. I don't know what it was about them. If I just had spent too much money, I don't know. I probably repeating myself. So then this bag came up, and I'll put a little video because the air conditioner came on. So I went ahead and opened it, and I'll put the little video here next to me. I think you can tell right away that I'm keeping her. I actually was contemplating. I was going to tell y'all that I was going to thinking seriously about returning this. I ordered this on February the 15th. So before my birthday. I saw this come out, and I've been wanting this bag. I don't have this bag in my collection. I have bags like this, but not from Coach. Because there was several things that in this bag that just kind of bothered me. And when I saw this, I was like, oh, maybe this is why I didn't like any of the other ones, because this was so cute, and I saw this and I was like, I've got to have it. So this was $195. So the price was really good. She's adorable. So she's the Smith tote, I think. Let me look. Okay, I'm sorry. It's the cargo tote. The cargo tote. 20. Size 20. Okay. I hope. Well, my phone should fit one way or another. It's a turn lock. So this is from the retail. You take that off. And then I'm hoping that my phone will fit here. So yeah, it'll fit like that. This one's a snap button. This one's a turn lock. So let's see how it fits back here. Yeah, that fits a little bit better there. And will it fit horizontal? Let's see. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. There's a card in here. Hold on. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Yes, it fits. Okay, it's a little snug, but it fits. But it's also packed pretty good. Like I said, today is March the 10th. I purchased this February the 14th, 15th. As soon as I saw it hit it, I had a post I was going to do sending you all the pictures, but since I was so indecisive about them, I was like, I didn't really want to. And then people were posting them anyway, letting y'all know that they were for sale. So I was just like, I just kind of let it go. But it's kind of like the Marc Jacobs, the tote bags, that concept, it does have the crossbody. It's attached, which is canvas. It's attached. Now it is crisscross, catty corner, but because this bag is small, it shouldn't bother me like other ones do. And this will be for definitely, this would be for a definitely, like, not an all-day carry, so a crossbody won't be so important. Let me show you what's on the inside. So here is what it looks like on the inside. And you have a back pocket, which is a snap, and then you have a turn lock pocket on the front. And it's all denim here across the front, and denim back there, and the canvas lining here. And this is like all structured here. So it's not a squishy bag like my other one, my Rowan. Okay, so let's look at the embroidery. So here's what kind of bothered me was the, let's take this off. That's so cute. The the leaves just felt disproportional to the cherries. Maybe because this is a smaller pattern. I don't know. It just was something that like bothered me in the picture. But when I saw this, I thought, well, maybe it bothered me because I didn't need another tabby. I needed this in my collection. So this was the perfect thing. So patience is a virtue. And see, it's all about the emotions. I think I talked about in another video that in one of the denim videos, I think, was that they have to wow me. The bags now have to wow me. They have to be like my reaction, like, ah, I gotta have it, you know, that kind of thing where immediately I don't even think about it. I just hit um add to cart and buy it, you know. It has to have that feeling of it. I'm done with like just buying something because it's a silhouette. You know, I knew I didn't have the silhouette. I knew I didn't have this in here in my collection, but I, you know, wasn't going to buy a bag just because I needed to fill that spot. It had to be the right bag. So it was like the right pattern, the right material, the right size, the right um everything just hit. And like this doesn't bother me on some of the other ones, like that bothered me. So, and this is very well done. So let me show it up. It's, I like it on this bag. I like how the cherries look and the embroidery, the leaves, everything I feel like goes great with this bag for me. I, you know, I haven't seen any of the other ones in person, but for me, this is what caught my eye. I love this. So yeah, I mean, you know, you're never done with denim on my on my channel. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much for being here for my birthday haul. Thank you so much for celebrating and indulging me this whole month, 2 months of celebration of my birthday. I'm not sure, like I said, this is March the 10th. My birthday was February the 20th. So the goal is to get it up before March the 20th, because then I'll be going longer than you know, my allotted 2 months that we give each other to do that. And part of the reasons that we celebrate all month long, and we celebrate, you know, it could be from your birthday month to the following month. Could even be the month before to your birthday, you know. And the reason we did that is as our family grew, as our nephews and nieces and our children, they've had boyfriends and girlfriends and wives and friends that they wanted to get together, that it was so much harder to coordinate even having their birthdays with us. You know, when they were going to college and doing everything, they wanted to hang out the night of their birthday with their friends and things. So instead of sitting there and becoming resentful because, you know, you spent all these years with your kids, you know, you spent all this time, them spending your birthday with you and you spending their birthdays with them, that it was hard to share. You know, it was hard to share. And as they grew and they expanded, but you also, as a parent, you don't want to hold them back. You know, you want them to grow and you want them to cultivate friendships and love and, you know, and all that kind of stuff. So we started like saying, okay, well, we're just going to celebrate all week long. And then it was like, well, we're going to celebrate for the next 2 weeks. Well, we're going to celebrate all your whole birthday month. Or we're going to celebrate the next 30 days, 30 days before your birthday, 30 days afterwards. So you could actually get milk your birthday in our family for 3 months, for 3 months, you know. So, and it felt better because then we could still celebrate as a family, as a small nucleus family, as an extended family, and friends as well too. So, and then nobody felt like they were missing out. We didn't feel like we were being left behind. The kids definitely felt special, and we felt special too. So, celebrate. Celebrate. And then big birthdays, we celebrate all year. So 57 years old, I am grateful to God, grateful to my family, my friends, that I am still here and I can celebrate all this with you, celebrate my friends with you, celebrate the wonderful, wonderful time that they took to pick each and every piece for me. It's not the piece itself, it is the thought, the intention behind it that I appreciate most. You know, I'm just so extremely grateful. And yes, my friends, know me better than I know myself. So apparently, because I bought myself a bag. I bought myself a bag. All right, Bean Beauties. Thank y'all so much. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hype. Tell me how long you celebrate your birthday. Love y'all. Bye-bye.